I'm just going to be self-employed. I've created a job for myself. I'm going to create revenue and I have some extra freedom. There's nothing wrong with being self-employed. But if you truly desire building a business, you can't be a self-employed practitioner. You have to actually build a company that has all these support systems in them. And it doesn't mean you need 3,000 employees, but you have to now lead the company. You have to be a business owner. What I see too many people, and I've been guilty of it myself, is they stay in the practitionership. They want to own and build a company, but they're doing all the things that they would have usually done as an employee for someone else in the past. And that doesn't allow you to build a business. So that's where the identity has to shift. It's like, hey, am I a CEO or am I the sales guy? Am I a CEO or am I the person that delivers the product and service? You have to really make this giant choice to build a business. Even though you're excellent at being a practitioner, that is no longer what I am responsible for here. I am responsible for building a business and giving that business everything it needs to thrive and grow and have consistent and sustainable success.